All right, what's up, daddies? So right here, we got Zane's rear subframe.
Yeah.
All right, bye, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Until next time. Okay, no, for real, though. So we have Zane's subframe. He has his car lifted up already. We're freaking excited. Zane's probably more excited than I'm probably more excited than you are, actually. I'm excited.
Hot.
Oh, dude,
It's really hot.
it's nice and warm out here.
It's really warm.
But yeah, so we're finally going to be able to see why his car has been driving sideways. I mean, I don't know what else it could be.
Driving sideways is a good thing, but like driving sideways trying to go in a straight line is not good.
Yeah, and it's not because of horsepower either. Obviously, it's completely stock.
Yeah, like you guys probably know, I hit a couple curves.
Yeah.
You know, live and learn.
And Zane, it took him 6 months to fix it, right? 6 months. Gee, thanks.
I finally got a chance to get a subframe.
Yeah. Excuses.
And, picked it up.
He cleaned it.
I burned the bushings out. Cleaned it up. I was gonna paint it, but honestly,
No one's gonna see it.
you're not gonna see it.
Yeah.
It'd be nice, just like Hot Boy, just be nice for the clout. That's about it.
Yeah, but we don't. It doesn't matter.
Honestly,
And then, my 240. They don't know anything about my 240. We got a surprise.
Yeah,
about
don't
my
tell 'em.
240. You guys
Don't
will
tell
see.
Not an SR swap.
No,
Don't
no motor swap. Nothing that crazy. Maybe later
It's
in
not better
life.
than the SR swap though.
All right, rear subframe for Zane. Let's get going.
All right, first things first, we're taking the rims off, and then going from there, from brakes, and then all the other arms and everything. I've never done this before, so we're gonna do it together.
Dude, he's putting in all the work. Anyways, so what I'm having Zane do, I mean, he didn't do this last time because he's kind of stupid. I told him, put the bolts back where they belong so you don't lose placement in them, because you're gonna be taking off a lot of bolts. And like, for example, this one right here, he just took that off, but he didn't put the bolt back on. And he just took the other end off, so he's probably not gonna know where it goes because he's being a little freaking silly goose. Aren't you now, Zane?
I've taken this shit apart so many times, dude.
Yeah, but it's still nice to know where the bolt goes.
Yeah.
I mean, how am I supposed to know where it goes?
You're not.
Just,
You're
okay.
not the one taking it apart.
Alright, well, you have it here, folks. Put the bolt back where it goes so you don't lose its placement.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
No, but we just, we got the brake, e-brake. Did you already tell him?
No, e-brake taken out.
So e-brake cable is taken out on this side. I'm taking the tow rod out right here so I can get to this bushing. But everything should be able to drop in like one piece. I got the driveline disconnected. Calipers are gonna stay on. We're gonna disconnect the brake line to them though. But I'm not gonna do that till last because I don't want to make a mess right now. It's really simple, honestly. I thought it was gonna be a lot harder. But we'll find out. Oh, and this exhaust, I think I'm just going to cut it off because it's welded all the way behind the cat. It's probably going to break the bolts. I'll just take it to a shop.
Have it re-welded back on. My dad can probably re-weld it back for you.
We'll see.
Yeah.
I don't really care too much. What's the worst that can happen is exhaust.
So yeah, we'll get back to you. Hopefully, next time we come back, the subframe will be dropped. I was just trying to lift it up so you can show you guys that we did the hard work, but it's already done. Dang.
All right.
Drop it.
Moment of truth.
You've been moment of truth. My guy, it's. What are you?
You're trying to get it just right. You're just fucking him over.
Okay, so Zane has a monster truck driveline right now. That's how all monster truck drivelines look. Driveline's not coming off. He has all 4 bolts taken out. That's weird. I don't know. Mine never had that problem when I took the driveline out. All we did was literally take off the brake lines, and that's it, right? And obviously the mounts. What else, Zane? Brake lines and mounts, and that was it.
Yeah, brake lines, mounts. There are 2.
Oh, exhaust. You gotta take out the exhaust.
Yeah, exhaust. We cut it off.
Yeah.
Look at that, because who cares?
Yeah.
So on top of the subframe back there, there's 2 little 10 mil bolts that hold the brake lines on.
Yeah.
So that has to come off, and then that's about it. So now it's time to like tear everything apart and swap it over to the new subframe. We're still waiting on bushings. Those should be coming in tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday. It's probably not going back into like at least Sunday.
But we're gonna
If not, sometime next week, depending on how much I work and shit.
Yeah,
so.
we're still gonna try to put everything together. So this video was just us taking it apart, dropping it, and that's pretty much it. We need to pull obviously we need to pull it out so we can get the driveline disconnected.
Yeah, we'll show you guys in a second.
Yeah. Alright guys, so this is pretty much how you take out the rear subframe on a 240. It's pretty simple. Literally.
I don't think we filmed much of it.
No, we didn't. But
it's really not that hard. You got 4 mounting bolts, and then we literally dropped it all together. Brake caliper is still on. All we do is disconnect the brake lines and the e-brake, and everything else just drops down.
It's literally simple as that. So don't forget at the top you want to take these bolts out. Then the 4 mounting points on the drive line. Then the brake lines, and the e-brake, And then that's it, right?
Oh, the toe arms we had to
Oh,
take out just
toe
so you
arms.
can get to the bottom mount of the
Yeah.
mounting bolts on the back.
Yeah, that's it. I mean, obviously, other than the stuff we've already said, which was like cut off the exhaust and stuff, that's literally it. And we were able to take out the driveline just by pounding it a little bit,
Yeah,
and it came
driveline
out.
came out.
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. We'll see you next time when we switch everything from this rear subframe to this rear subframe.